This is not snow. This is bona fide hail. And, you know, I tell you, it's a show I tell you. But that's hail. And it's amazing. I ain't seen one TV person out here yet. But that's okay. I'm not here to slam TV. What I'm here to tell you about is that we had a weather system associated with what I call a pineapple express. A lot of warm, moist air coming up over the Pacific Northwest, and some nice warm temperatures, although it's going to get cold tomorrow in the 30s. But we got a bona fide thunderstorm here in Buhl, Idaho. And this is where I'm at, and that be hail. So I need to take one more for the weather service, but that's hail in December. Kind of gives you an idea of what shape of things to come, huh? Enjoy the weather. It's the only weather you got.